top of the head. Not much to say. Most of it is pretty much self-explanatory. Okay. One Halloween's being like try to get this done as fast as I can. And here is his tusk. And then the trunk, or his nose. It just kind of curls up. And I think we're done. Top of the head, I want to make a little bit rounder. But yeah, this is how you can draw an elephant in around 2 minutes. I wasn't sure exactly how long it took. Feel free to color in with whatever color you want. Kind of want to add a little bit of, play around with a little bit of eyelash. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very easy to, hopefully it's, it's easy to follow. Anything else you want to see, just let me know.